Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, power off your device completely by going to Start menu, selecting Power Options, and selecting Shutdown. Wait until your device is fully shut down. Once it's fully shut down, the LED indicator above your power button will be turned off. And once you see that the light goes off, you're gonna have to short press the power button after a couple of seconds, and then to enter the BIOS menu, start repeatedly pressing escape button right after you short press the power button. So let's do this together. So as you can see, the LED indicator appeared, and right now we are quickly pressing the escape button, and at some point the startup menu will appear on the screen. And as you can see, as it's mentioned here, in order to enter the BIOS menu, we're gonna have to press F10 button. Okay, and in the BIOS menu, you can either use your touchpad to navigate, or you can use your arrow keys to go left and right to change categories or tabs. And to navigate between options, you're going to have to use up and down arrow keys. To select an option, press Enter. To go back, press Escape. And to change an option, you're going to have to press Enter and then select a different value from the list using up and down arrow keys to navigate. Once you changed everything to your needs, you can press either F9 at any available moment to reset default settings of BIOS. If you want to save and exit, press F10 and Enter. And if you want to exit without applying changes, press Escape and then Enter. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.